My name is Francis Jacob Ciceruelas from Pasita Complex National High School in San Pedro City, province of Laguna. Did you know that water pollution is still a global environmental problem that we are facing? It has more than 80% of wastewater left untreated, and about 40% of surface water bodies contaminated with heavy metals. Heavy metals are a metalloid element which are dangerous small particles whose properties are high toxicity, reactivity, and bioaccumulation. It becomes a major threat in our environment as it results to water pollution, environmental contaminations, and even damages to human organs. One of them is lead, as being one of the most toxic metalloids, leading to life-threatening diseases. 1 in 3 children are victims of lead poisoning. And now, I am here to discuss my study in developing an effective remedy to this alarming environmental crisis. My research with the title Green Synthesis of Carbon Dust from Mahogany Leaves for Efficient Lead-2 Removal. Heavy metals are small particles that dissolve easily in liquids, making them difficult to remove using a standard filter paper. This poses a significant challenge to society in ensuring a safe and clean water supply, particularly in addressing the contamination of toxic metal ions. That is why I introduced to you the carbon dust. CDs are nano-sized particles that typically measures less than 10 nanometers. These tiny particles have unique properties including optical characteristics, non-toxicity, hydrophilicity, and more, making it flexible in various applications, while focusing in the efficiency in absorption of lead-2. Due to its high surface area and variety of functional groups, allowing metal ions to bind sufficiently as a better biosorbent. Mahogany leaves are invasive plant species that are locally abundant in the Philippines. These leaves contain allelochemicals. Because of its allelopathic property, it releases the chemicals that damages the nearby plants. However, these allelochemicals, specifically the presence of tannins, consist of orthohydroxyl phenolic group, is responsible in metal ion complexation, resulting to natural metal binding capability of carbon dust from mahogany leaves. In examining the existence of CDs, the different testings was used such as photoluminescence testings and scanning electron microscopy with energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopy or SEM-EDX. For the PL testing, CDs possess a unique optical property that is utilized in this study for the preliminary confirmation of synthesized CDs. And for the SEM, plastic-like image with a smooth and glossy structure having a homogeneity structure that intensifies the fluorescence CDs. The particles are distinguished into spherical shapes, morphology, and crystalline-like appearance. Layered and wrinkled surface indicates a crucial part in the complex morphology for binding capabilities. For the EDX, 2 primary factors that formulates the CDs. Oxygen, having 49.38% because of the oxidation process during hydrothermal synthesis, producing functional groups, carboxyl and hydroxyl. And an essential confirmation for the successful synthesis of CDs is the presence of carbon, elemental composition of 43.24%, while the absorption of lead-2 was tested through fluorescence quenching using Color Analyzer app, comparing the before and after emission of light under ultraviolet light. The results show an effective absorption since the intensity of the emitted light from CDs decreases as it inhibited by particles. The treatment 1, 2, and 3 decreases 2.97, 15, and 25.3 intensity correspondingly. To summarize, the aim of this study is to develop a valuable nanomaterial which provides efficient treatment for wastewater contamination by using a sustainable biomass at the same time managing an invasive species. And that is all. Thank you.